So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install the latest version of Python in your computer. So firstly let's open our browser. Here you have to search for Python download, or just you can simply type Python. You will see the first website from python.org. Just click here, and after that you will see a download button here also, and you can also go with this toolbar. Just hover on downloads, and then you can just simply click on download for Windows Python 3.14.3. This is the latest release of Python. Now open your downloads. You can see that Python is successfully downloaded. Now you have to install this. You can use admin privileges for installing python.exe, and you need to make sure that python.exe is added to path. And after that, you have to click on install now. You can just minimize your browser. Now the installation is started. This will take some time according to your system. And then I will show you one more thing. You have to open your command prompt and type here. Actually, you don't need to do this. I'm just showing you something. You can see that this is showing the current Python version which I am installing right now. That is Python 3.14. Okay, let me pause the video until it gets installed. So you can see that now our setup is successful. We can just close this now. Okay, after that we can reopen our command prompt or terminal, and I will type here as python -f version. You will see that the latest version of Python is installed in my computer, but there is a catch. I currently have two versions of Python in my computer. Let me show you. I will just type where Python. You can see that Python 3.14, the latest version, and Python 3.13, the earlier version. I have both these versions in my computer. So now when you see that when you type this python -f version command, this will show that my terminal is currently using the latest version. So that's it for today video guys. Now let's see you next time.